A new era in air compression technology has begun. More sustainable, more powerful, more energy efficient, but also exceptionally small. Not a next generation, a new generation. Smart engineering creating a lean package, less materials, less parts, less waste, and less energy consumption. We are proud to introduce the all-new fixed and regulated speed RF and RTe 45 and 55 kilowatt oil lubricated air compressors. The best things come in small packages, smaller energy costs, smaller maintenance costs, smaller environmental impact, smaller property costs, a footprint up to 40% smaller. Single and two-stage compressors with our patented technology, extremely efficient and compact, designed and built in our Center of Excellence in Germany. Up to 10% higher flow rate equates to 12% less energy consumption. Having the oil filter, thermostatic valve and check valve integrated within the air end casting equates to fewer pipes, fewer leakage risks, plus easier service and maintenance. The innovative oil regulation valve delivers high efficiency and protection against condensate, coupled with permanent magnet or IE4 class motors, delivering premium efficiency in fixed and variable speed. Integrated or turnkey heat recovery adds up to 75% energy savings. Plus, a comprehensive in-house portfolio of air treatment and downstream equipment designed and manufactured to the same high standards as our compressors. Add to that our comprehensive service and warranty packages, plus monitoring, standard Helix connectivity for proactive maintenance, minimizing downtime and maximizing uptime, while Ecoplant delivers machine intelligence and optimized energy efficiency. The advantages are easy to see, but this is Ingersoll Rand. It doesn't end there. We are so confident about the durability of our new technology that we now provide a 12-year warranty on these air ends with Ingersoll Rand Care, giving you peace of mind for years to come. The all-new fixed and regulated speed RF and RTe 45 and 55 oil lubricated air compressors. Ingersoll Rand, at the forefront of air compression technology for decades.